Are you missing out on amazing and lucrative opportunities because you dismiss everything short of a low-paying job as scams? Think about it. You thought, oh no, cryptocurrency, that's a scam. Oh no, work from home, another scam. Forex, nobody that young can get that rich that quickly. That's definitely a scam. And now you're probably saying mystery shopping is a scam too. Well, if you believed all of those opportunities were too good to be true, you were wrong and you missed out. And once again, you're about to let another great opportunity slip by, one that could genuinely transform your life. All you have to do is take 10 minutes to chat with us so we can show you real assignments, real pay, and very real opportunities. You could earn more money in half an hour than you currently do in half a day. Curious? Check out our YouTube channel for more insights, or join us on a Zoom call to learn more. Or you can visit us at www.kimberlygroupllc.com or give us a call at 248-834-3252. Don't let another chance pass you by. Embrace the potential that awaits.